Welcome to the event landing page for the Greater Philadelphia Real Estate Alliance. I'm going to share with you today some of the details on the event, and I'm going to also share with you some of the items that you get when you register for our event. Our sole purpose is to give you as much value as possible. It's going to be a lot here, right? And people are going to be like, what's the catch? There is no catch. We just want to provide you with as much value as possible so you can come work with us, our vendors, our team members, our partners in the future, right? So let's begin. First and foremost, I have some notes that I'm going to refer to, and I just want you to know, because there's a lot here, I need to keep notes, right? So when is this event? This event is taking place May 21st through May 22nd. It's from 8 to 5 on the first day, right? And then it's from 9 to 3 on the second day. This event is for real estate investors, agents, entrepreneurs, anybody involved in real estate or that wants to get involved in real estate. As of now, tickets are going for only $97, and you get everything that you see here on the landing page. Some of our event topics, you're going to have real estate professionals from across the entire tri-state area, and we're going to all teach you and show you, reveal to you how you can level up your real estate business, right? So just so you know, some of the subjects that we'll be addressing: lead generation, property management, unsecured funding, private lending, networking. We'll be talking about Jumpstart Philly. We'll be talking about construction, rehabbing, financing, just about anything around real estate we'll be addressing, and we have a speaker for. Next, the items that I told you about, right? Every ticket that you purchase, everybody that buys a ticket, you will get a few items. And some of these items that you're going to receive are as followed, right? So item number one, this is our best-selling book on marketing implementation, right? And this is for real estate entrepreneurs. If you want to generate leads, you're trying to figure out, how do I get deals? This book is going to tell you everything that you need to know about that process and how you can get involved and how you can even delegate some of that process, right? Number two, what you're going to get, this is our book on productivity hacks, right? So this is going to teach you some ways to run your business efficiently in terms of production as well as consumption. How can I learn faster? How can I produce more content? How can I produce more deals? How can I hire teammates faster, et cetera, et cetera? So you're going to get a copy of that as well. Next, there is in the digital space, there is a marketing, right? And within marketing, you want to make sure you're doing all that you can to influence your audience, your customers, your guests, your prospects, you name it, right? And one of the best ways that you do that is by using video marketing. So here is what else that we're going to give you. We're going to give you our video marketing guide, and this is also included. You get all of these items. Not only do you get the physical items, but you're also going to get a digital copy of each of these items as well. Next, what you're going to get is we have a newsletter, and this is a physical copy. You're also going to get a physical copy of this as well as a digital copy of this. And with this newsletter, what's included is you get an entire 1-year subscription automatically of this newsletter, right? And just so you see it, that is the envelope there that I just showed you. This is the actual physical newsletter. It will look a little bit different because it's been since updated, but this is the newsletter. It's about 20 pages. It can be more, can be less, but that's the newsletter, and this is what you get. It is also included in your ticket purchase. Next, a few more bonus items that you're going to get is we're going to give you 2 of our premium reports. We got our report on what you need to know about marketing and lead generation. This is also included, and then we also got our 11 social media mistakes that can kill your real estate business report as well. Those are 2 extra items. And then not only do you receive all of those things, we're also going to give you even more bonus items from some of our vendors, right? So we have quite a few vendors on the page, and they're also going to include some items and give you some things that you can take and employ into your real estate business. So my name is Jerome Lewis. I appreciate you watching. And if you're interested, all you have to do is submit your details. Click on the button, submit your details, and we'll make sure you get all of your items. And I hope to see you at the event. I appreciate you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.